Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are learning contacts. So we learn what is a contact and what is the benefit of adding a contact. So firstly let's look what is a contact. So contact is basically an object in your exchange, and this is used to store the external user information like the external user email address, the external user website, the external user office location, their websites, etc., etc., and etc. And what is the benefit of adding this? That you can easily monitor and manage the email contacts in the organization so that you can easily pull out an Excel report, and you can figure out how many external users are you dealing with, and how many external users are present in your organization, and likewise. And you can also add contacts to security groups for additional securities. You can also add them to distribution list so that they can make themselves available for company mass mailers. And the moment you add a contact in the exchange, it get added to global address list automatically of the organization. And also it becomes easy to send emails, because when you send emails, the email pops up automatically. Okay, so this is the theoretical information about a contact. Let's look into the practical. So let's navigate to Microsoft 365 Admin Center and this contact. So this is one place from where you can create a contact, and the contact can also be created from Exchange Admin Center as well. So this is the place. I'll navigate to Exchange Admin Center under recipients contacts. So from here you can add a mail contact, and also mail contact and contact just the same. It just the name differences, but the functioning and the creation method is just the same. You can also read it out. That it says that people outside your organization, that you would like everyone be able to find it, and the same information is posted here as well. It says contact. This is the Exchange Admin Center, and the same information is posted here. So you can create from Admin Center, or you can create a contact from Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Okay, so this time I'll be creating a contact from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. I am clicking on a contact. I'll give a name to it. Okay, the first name is Neeraj. Okay, the second name is Vigil. That's my surname. Okay, and the display name is picked up automatically. I can give it a name. So I don't have a company name right now, but I just give my Gmail. I give this Gmail account. Okay, and also if you want to hide this email address from global address list, you can do that. Just checkbox this. Okay, and this email address will be hidden from the global address list. Okay, and profile information, that what is the company name. Okay, it's the company name is DD Communication. I'm just giving a random name to this. It's DD Communication, and phone number, mobile phone, fax number, title. If you want to give, you can just give it up. Website, you can also give anything like www dot or http s google.com. Okay. Okay, and street address, if you want to give, you can give city, and then state, province, select a region or country, the country code, or the postal code. Once you are done with adding the details, you can just click on add, and the contact will be added in the organization, and you would be able to see the contact in the Exchange Admin Center as well. I'll just refresh. Okay, let me see if that contact is added to the exchange or not. Okay, you can see that exchange in the exchange as well. The user is added, Neeraj Bagel. Okay, and it says mail contact. Okay, and this is the information, personal information. I have not added much information, but you can always come to this place and edit the information as per your convenience. Okay, and like I said that it's easy to send emails to this contact. I'll just go to my Outlook. I'll refresh it once. Okay, and let's look into the global address list first. If that user is added into the global address list or not, I'll click on people. I've clicked on people directory and default global address list. I'll scroll down. Okay, and okay, you can see that this user is now added in the global address list. Okay, and like I said that you can add this email contact in your security groups and mail enabled security groups, right? And dynamic distribution list. So let's do that. Okay, let me show you quickly. I'm coming up here and I'll go to, I do not have a distribution list created, but let me quickly show you. I'll just give some name to it. Okay, test. Okay, next I'll assign this owner. Okay, I'm just assigning myself here. This is a distribution list. Let next. Okay, this is the member section, and if I try to search that user, okay, it should pop up here. Okay, you can see that I am getting this option. I can add this user into the distribution list. Okay, so that the user can receive informations. And likewise, I can add this user into security groups as well. I can come to security groups, select this security group. Okay, I'll go to members and I'll come to the manage membership. I'll come up here, add member. Okay, I'll type in Neeraj quickly. Okay, you can see that it is showing up here, and I can come up here, and this user will be added in the security group. Okay, and let's look into the Outlook. Like I said, that sending email will become easy. So let's do that quickly. I'll click on new email. Okay, and I will just type in the name Neeraj. I just typed in and it shows up automatically. Okay, Neeraj, and I can send an email and it will definitely be there in the user's mailbox. Okay, and if you want to add the detail anytime, you just come back to Exchange Admin Center, or you can come back to Microsoft 365 Admin Center, go to Contacts, select the user, and edit the details. Okay, so I'll just add it, and I can edit the details. Once I'm done, I can just save it. All right. So this is how you create a mail contact, and this is how you manage it. Okay. And one last thing, that you can also export this. You can just export it, and the result will be exported. Okay. So this is done. That's it for today's video, and I hope you like the video. If you do, then please like the video, share, and subscribe. Do leave your doubts in the comment, and I'm happy to answer them. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.